In this episode, I show you another way to quickly and easily create wild vegetation. First, apply wood glue to the ground surface. Then I add 12 mm static grass fibers. I'm using a static grass fiber here, but that's not necessary. You could also do this by hand. After removing the loose fibers, I spray the surface in a dark green color. A brown paint could also work. Next, I sprinkle 5 mm grass fibers on top. This gives it a fuller, more natural look. I again spray these fibers in the same ground color. For extra volume, I again add a layer of 5 mm fibers. Finally, I apply fine turf from Woodland Scenics. Of course, you could also use other material here. When everything has dried, I seal the vegetation with a coat of clear matte varnish. This area is also a logical spot for adding bushes. This corner is a bit tricky, as I need to protect the bridge from overspray while painting. As you can see, I was a bit impatient. It would be better to wait until the glue is dry before starting to paint, although I haven't experienced any problems with it. Of course, this method can also be used with other scenic materials, allowing you to easily create your own custom bushes and ground cover. In the next video, I'll move on to building a cornfield.